Hello and welcome to this Millennial Review. Today we're getting to take a look at something pretty neat that I just picked up and I'm excited to share and maybe even more excited to be using myself. Now, I've got this workbench down beneath me here that, well, it's in need of some casters, but I am going to be using this workbench so that I'm going to be able to mount a vise on here and have a nice sturdy workbench. The problem with that is if you put casters on, it's going to wiggle around and move and all sorts of stuff like that. But these casters are something a bit different. See that yellow ratchet? Well, that's almost like a ratcheting tool. You can click it back and forth. If we then loosen it up, what you're going to end up seeing happen is that rubber foot is going to lift up and eventually surpass the height of the wheel, so that your table is going to now be stuck on this rubber foot and should be super secure. We'll find that out in a few, because I just bought these, looking forward to using them. The other benefit here is, of course, when you set it up that way, well, you can auto level too. Now, I'll have a link to these down in the description below, but in the meantime, let me show you what comes with them. So the first thing that's going to come with these is a set of these stems. Now, they do sell this in a 4-bolt version. The flavor that I have is going to be the stemmed version. It's mostly because of the way they're going to attach to my table. I'll show you that in a few. But down below, this is a M14 thread pitch, M14 by 2.0, and up top is an M12 by 1.75. Now, this tricked me because when I was looking for some replacements, simply because my setup, I need a little bit different bolt, I looked for M12s to start off with. Wrong. M14 down at the bottom, the top is M12. Now, additionally, they send another set of stems, which are the M14 lower, and with the yellow on there, it's going to be a 3/8 threading up top. So it goes from metric to SAE. In my case, my table had a set of these adjuster feet, but this is a 1/2-inch thread, so neither of those worked, but I can still use the setup of the feet to be able to put my own bolt in. So I'll have linked down below as well a set of these M14 bolts in case this is going to be right for you. But let me show you what I'm going to do to get these mounted up. So at the bottom of my workbench here, you can see there was a hole where those 1/2-inch threaded feet would go in. That was just kind of sliding into place there, little nut insert. So I went ahead and pulled the nut insert out, and now I've got these M14 bolts that are just going to be able to slide right in and make it work. And so now and start threading that together. And there we are, all attached, ready to go. That went together super easy. Now I'm gonna go ahead, ratchet this rubber piece back up. Actually, wrong direction. Actually, should be able to just do it that way. That's pretty cool. There we go. Well, on to installing the other 4. And there we go. We've got the legs installed on here and our bolts in. Let's go ahead, lean it over, see what it looks like. Oh, well, that is awesome. Check this out. So now it can roll as necessary. Ooh, it actually is rolling pretty good. And then when I want it not to be rolling, that's where these little legs come in. And so can start to rotate that out. There we go. Nice and secure, and look at that. The wheel is off of the ground and just one, and it's not moving around. Huh, these things are, well, pretty neat. Wow. And that's back off of the ground. See, my finger can go underneath. And we are good to roll it around again. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video on these adjustable casters. Pretty neat self-leveling casters. They ratchet into place. I gotta tell you, I'm quite psyched because I am looking forward to turning this into my new workbench with these rolling casters. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. While you're at it, be sure to hit subscribe and definitely browse the channel to check out these casters and more things like that to see as well.